What's up, fam? It's Asen, here to introduce a happiness activity I created myself, the Personal SWOT Analysis. I also wrote an article on the topic. If you want to view it, click the link below the video. A personal SWOT analysis consists of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You use it to identify your strengths and leverage them into great opportunities while becoming aware of your weaknesses and the potential threats arising from them. Gary Vaynerchuk once said, "Everybody has strengths and weaknesses." I'm fascinated by people's obsession to pour all of their efforts into fixing their weaknesses, which is playing defense, and not tripling down on their strengths. After reading this quote, I realized most people are focused on fixing weaknesses and spend a lot of mental energy fighting potential threats or strawmen in their lives. It also made me think of why people do not focus on leveraging their strengths. Even though playing to your strengths makes you happier, more confident, and brings more opportunities for success. It's because fixing weaknesses and playing defense is more comfortable than acting on strengths. This reasoning made me create the personal SWOT activity. Not only can you quickly perform a personal SWOT analysis, but you can also make daily entries and view your progress. Making daily entries encourages you to leverage your strengths and act on opportunities, while seeing your progress gives you feedback on where you are focusing your attention. Hit continue below and let's see how to do the activity. The first step of this activity is to identify your strengths by answering these questions or by taking the character strengths survey. My top strengths from the survey were creativity, perspective, and humor. Remember, playing to your strengths makes you happier, gives you more confidence, and opens up more opportunities in your life. After identifying your strengths, you want to become aware of your weaknesses. You can do so by answering the questions or by simply scrolling to the bottom of your strengths report. You only want to be mindful of your weaknesses. You do not want to focus extensively on fixing them. My top weaknesses are self-regulation, fairness, and humility. The next step is leveraging your strengths into potential opportunities. Use the questions to guide you into coming up with opportunities. Here are some of my opportunities. The final step is understanding possible threats from your weaknesses. Answer the questions to diagnose threats. Similar to your weaknesses, you only want to be aware of threats. In the 80-20 principle, Richard Koch says, instead of training yourself to not be afraid of snakes, avoid them altogether. Similarly, avoid threats. You can do this in the avoiding downers activity. Some of my potential threats are I make sure to avoid them as much as possible. After submitting the activity, you can make an entry each time you receive the email reminder or directly from the Make Entry button by hovering over the activity. After you make an entry and hit Submit, you will see your personal SWOT progress screen. Here, you can see how much you have been focusing on each of the 4 SWOT items over different periods. You can add and remove them by clicking the items. By using the days of the week analysis, you can find when you are at your best. Let's say you leverage your strengths the most Monday and Wednesday, helping you get the most opportunities. What were you doing on those days? Double down and do the same Tuesday and Thursday. Then triple down and do it Friday and Saturday. To summarize, fixing your weaknesses is playing defense, while leveraging your strengths makes you happier, gives you more confidence, and opens up more opportunities in life. That's it for this activity, fam. I look forward to seeing you in another activity. Until then, happy strengthening. Cheers.